This is our mold manufacturing center. In the manufacturing industry, the molds determine product quality. On my left-hand side are finished molds. As you can see, these molds vary in size and are compatible with injection molding machines of different specification, with clamping force ranging from 90 tons to 500 tons. Behind me are various grades of CNC machining centers: EDM machines, wire EDM machines, tape-hole drilling machines, milling machines, lathes, grinders, and other equipment. It is these machines that guarantee the precision and efficiency of mold processing. Only with molds can modern industry achieve cost advantages through mass production and standardization. High-quality molds rely on premium materials, precision manufacturing, and an experienced technical team. For this reason, the mold industry is essentially a sector with high capital investment and high technical barriers. For plastic manufacturing enterprises, it is difficult to build genuine competitiveness without independent mold-making capabilities. The molds and products we produce cover custom plastic molds for electronics, digital products, mobile phone accessories, home appliances, daily consumer goods, and medical products. Examples include laptop protective case molds, iPad cover mold, keyboard molds, mouse molds, stylus molds, plastic parts for sweepers, beauty device housing molds, pose machine housings and buttons, silicone buttons, and custom silicone products. In terms of mold types, we have extensive manufacturing experience in multi-cavity molds, hot runner molds, precision molds, mirror finish molds, dip cavity molds, gas-assisted injection molds, and more.